Disclaimer, this is a fan-made animation created purely for entertainment and storytelling purposes. It is not affiliated with any motorcycle brand or company.
It is okay, Rumi. I'm here.
Why did this happen?
We'll figure it out.
Please is alive! Bow down!
You will lose, Kent Insane.
I don't know if this old bike can make it.
Help!
Just watch me.
Losers to stay behind. Hey, that's cheating! No, not now! Oh my God, she crashed. No, everything, it's all gone. Rumi, are you okay? Oh no, look at the bike.
Go, Rumi! You got this, Rumi! Let's go! Wait, what happened?
No. Oh no.
Rumi, go! No! Oh my God! Loser! This is so embarrassing. I can't look. I can't believe I cheered for her.
I'm done. Rumi, no.
Mira! Ooh! Traitor! No!
I told you I'd win! Wah, wah, wah. All right, let's fix this. I won't give up on you. Not now. Not ever. I'll fix you.
I think I can fix it.
It's totaled.
Just need the right parts.
Come on, you old thing. Just a little more. Finally. There we go. Perfection. Wow. It's beautiful. It's working. I am ready. Engine failure! No! Nitro system failing! We have to go through. Just hold on. Unharmed. We did it! Incredible! She's a phoenix! Yeah! No, come on! Don't do this now! We're overheating! I can't cross! was worth it. Mira!
Gino! Get out of the way, Mira! Rumi, I'm here. I want to congratulate you.
Please take me back. Please, I am so sorry. No.
No.
Please take me back. Please, please, I'm begging you. I made a mistake. Please.
Yes.
I did it! I finally did it! Yes! I did it!
No! How could you?
I hate you! I really hate you!
Rumi! Wait, please!
No. Please, Rumi, don't leave me.
One month later.
I remember everything. Today, I finished this. I will not lose again! I will destroy her.
I don't know who to pick! Look at him, he's so pathetic!
Make a choice, buddy!
Hey, I can't! They're both! Pick a side, loser! Whimper!